On this new tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to fix Instagram community guidelines. So, hello guys, welcome back to this new video. I'm gonna show you how to fix this problem easily. First thing, open the Play Store. Go to the search bar right here and search for Instagram. Now, all what you wanna do here is click on this update option. When you click on it, your Instagram is gonna be updated. And then open your Instagram, click on those three lines right here, open the settings, go to the help option, open report a problem, click on report problem without checking. Now on this page you have to contact the Instagram support team, send them a message, for example, hey, I have a problem, I can't send messages, and that's it. Now click next, and that's it. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you for watching this tutorial until the very end. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below if the problem is fixed. See you later. Thank you very much.